Hi everyone, I'm Igor, and in this video we'll explore one of the most powerful trading indicators, the Ichimoku Cloud. It helps identify trends, market strength, entry points, and potential reversals, all in one tool. I'll explain everything clearly and show real trades directly on the chart. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, there's something useful for you here. Let's get started. First, let's add it to the chart. Click on Indicators, then find Ichimoku Cloud. You'll see a bunch of lines and shaded areas. Don't panic, we'll break it down. First, let's adjust the visuals. Click the pencil icon next to the indicator's name, then go to Style. Change the color of the Tenkan Sen line from yellow to green and increase the opacity of Senkou Span A and Senkou Span B. Even if it doesn't make sense yet, just follow along. I'll explain everything shortly. Let's look at the chart. The colored area is called the Kumo cloud. A green cloud with the price above it means we have a bullish trend. For example, here we see price rising, green cloud below, and price above. If the cloud is red and the price is below it, it's a bearish trend. Speed up the chart movement left and right under this text. You can clearly see in the past that when the cloud was red, the price was falling. The cloud does a great job of showing the current trend. Right now, we can see the price above the green cloud, and every time it approaches the cloud, it bounces upward. We're opening our first upward trade, all according to the system. The first trade closed in profit, $61 gain. Great start, let's keep going. Now let's look at two lines. Green is Tenkan Sen, red is Kijun Sen. Green shows buyer strength, red shows seller strength. If the green line is above the red, the bulls are in control. Great time to enter a buy trade. If the red line is above the green, the sellers are stronger and you might consider sell trades. But if the price is still above the green cloud, it's better to wait until the green line crosses above the red. After the crossover, you can enter. For example, here, after the crossover, the price shot up. Clear confirmation. Right now, the green line is below the red and the payout percentage is low. We skip this pair and look for another one. Use jump cut or speed up edit here. Let's look at AUD USD OTC. Here the cloud is green, price is above it. Also, Tenkan has crossed above Kijun. All signs point to upward movement. We enter a buy trade. While we're waiting for this trade to close, let me remind you about my trading bot. It works with the same strategies shown in this video. The bot analyzes the market, finds entry points, and gives you ready-to-use signals. All you have to do is click the button. The second trade also closes in profit, $92 gain. 2 out of 2. Strong performance. Let's break down the last line, Chikou Span, turquoise. It mirrors the price movement but with a delay. Important. This line should not be inside the cloud. If it is, better to skip. Let's check another pair. Ideally, it should be outside the cloud, like here. It just exited and the trend continued upward. Note, the turquoise Chikou span line simply follows the price but shifted left. How do we use it? Simple. We need to make sure it's outside the Ichimoku cloud. If, like in this example, it's inside, that's a bad signal. In such cases, it's better to skip the trade and find another pair. Let's return to the AUD-USD pair we just traded. We see the turquoise line has just exited the cloud and looks like the uptrend will continue. It's not heading back into the cloud, a good sign. We also have confirmation from the Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen, green cloud and price above the cloud. All three conditions met. We confidently opened the trade, all according to the strategy. Third trade, another win. Balance is now up to $445. The price continued rising exactly as expected, following the earlier strategy. Let's look at the final setup for today, EUR/USDOTC. We can see that the trend has shifted from bullish to bearish. The price has started compressing within a narrow downward channel, clearly visible in the movement structure. All Ichimoku signals confirm this. Red Kijun Sen is above the green. Tenkan Sen, the cloud, Kumo, is red. The price is below the cloud. The turquoise Chikou span line is outside the cloud, further confirming the signal. Also, a support zone was just broken, confirming a strong downward impulse. So, all three Ichimoku signals aligned and indicate further decline. I opened a sell trade, expecting a confident move down. As expected, everything played out perfectly. $192 profit, analysis was spot on. Now we're up by $337 in net profit. Here are all our trades, one after another, just like a blueprint. Everything worked flawlessly. That's the Ichimoku indicator, simple yet powerful. If you want to get real-time signals, learn how to grow your balance, and see live trades, make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel.